Hi, welcome. This is a video for a question of a user on the forum. Can we make plasma transparent? As you can see, or maybe not see, yes you can, right? It's just a choice. What do you want to do? This is a blur effect that's behind it, and the bar here as well. So it shows, of course, if you have something light. And this, I think it's going to be very clear that this is transparent but blurred as well. All right, Control Alt M. I went to look for plasma styles. Yes, I've opened my window, so you'll hear a little bit more of traffic. I have installed Breeze Transparent Dark Discrete. Get new plasma styles. What I've done is just type the word transparent. And then it's up to you, right? Then it really is up to you. You say, okay, I like this, I like that. It's this guy that I've downloaded because it only shows me the image of this thing. Right? Just the panel, and that's the only thing I would like to change in my case. But it's so filled with so many other things, like this white one here, that's transparent. There's so many other choices to take. It's just a click away. Of course, if it works, it's not a 100% true always, because these themes are created for a certain version. And well, yeah, if Plasma is going to make new updates, well, these developers need to make sure that they should follow it, right? They should have the time to be able to change these things. So it's still entirely up to you. Not that much transparent, I think, but we can remove as easily, right? And go back to our Breeze. Oops, not that one, but just say blue one, apply, and we're back. And we have again are transparent. So that's my tip. Go and have a look at all the things that have been created already for you. All right, have fun.